Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. Let's get started. Click on Windows icon. After that click on Settings. Now here find Ease of Access. Click on it. On the left hand side scroll down till you see Keyboard. Click on it. Now here you see use the on-screen keyboard. Just toggle or enable this option. This will open up on-screen keyboard and you can type anything through this keyboard. If you want to close this keyboard, just click on cancel to close this keyboard. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.